Weather Service in Milwaukee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Sauk County and south central Wisconsin, central Columbia County and south central Wisconsin until 7:15 p.m. At 6:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Baraboo, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Baraboo, Portage, Lake Wisconsin, Lodi, Poinet, Partyville, West Baraboo, Rio, Arlington, Wyosenoc, Merrimack, Doylestown, Interstate 90/94 interchange, Okie, Devil's Lake St. Park and Harmony Grove. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.